Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Bitcoin update video. We do this Bitcoin update video every single day, first thing in the morning, because we need to know what's happening with Bitcoin, so we know if our alts are gonna crash or not. You know, it's important, because you saw what's happened last time. Bitcoin went down, everything went down, and then Bitcoin bottomed out and everything bottomed out, and now Bitcoin is going up, so everything is going up. So we want to know what Bitcoin is doing, so let's get in the chart to see what Bitcoin is doing. So first of all, let's move the moving average and start talking about these lines. There are a few very interesting lines on the chart. We talked about this yesterday, especially around here. We got this 55,777 resistance that we want to break. Right now it's acting as a resistance. Also this diagonal line is acting as a resistance from the top over here. It's not very hard resistance, but they are resistance. They should be broken. When are they going to be broken? It depends. This target over here we're going to talk a little bit about. But right now these two lines are the ones that actually needs to be broken. This the moving average targets. You can see here, if you pop these three moving averages, the white line is the 10 moving average, then this one is the 20 moving average, and this is the 50 moving average line. And you can see that 50 and 20 moving corresponds to around 57,000. So once we get above 57,000 and we actually manage to close above 57,000, that's gonna be golden. That's gonna be like, okay, we are above the moving averages, so we can continue going up. But right now we are trying to get through certain moving averages on the way up, and that might take a little while. That said, this down here is 10 moving average. Right now we got support 3 times, actually 1, 2, 3 times support on the 10 moving average. So I don't think this is gonna continue that much longer. We might already start soon to go higher and higher and breaking this diagonal resistance at first. So for that, let's go into small time frames and pop some more moving averages, because they're important. Up here we got about 100 and 200 moving average that will be acting as a resistance. But right now you can see here that we have been breaking through both the 20, the 10, the 20, and soon maybe we might even revisit down here at 53,000 the 50 moving average, maybe. So that's always a possibility. If we don't get one of these, because this week over here was very important. It showed the bullishness in the market. It showed the market doesn't want to get below the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. So we managed to close above the 20 moving average. But right now we are breaking through that. Now this just started 15 minutes ago. So we still got like 3 hours and 45 minutes left to pick up the price and go above both the 20 and the 10. So I think this candle over here might be actually very important. So for next 4 hours, if we close below the 10 moving average and the 20 moving average down here, this 10 and 20 moving average, we close in the ballpark area here, that might actually indicate we might actually go all the way down to the 50 moving average, the yellow line. It's not bigger a problem, but if we go to the 50 moving average, that means that alts will bleed. Right now half of the alts are in red, half of them are in green, give or take. But if we close down here, it might actually be a problem for alts. That said, so basically we don't want to, you can see right now it is moving kind of slowly down. We'll actually get to the 50. We don't know, we just have to see what's going to happen. Also on the 1 hourly chart, we are getting pushed by the moving averages. You can see here we dropped hard on, went almost to the 100 moving average. This is 1 hourly chart, and now we are picking up some room, trying to get above these moving averages, but it is acting as a tough resistance up here. So if it's pushing us down again, like these 53, 52, 8 levels, they might actually hold. So we are always aware that we want to go up, but we also have to know that we might actually fall to the 53,000 levels, and if that happens, we might actually see some alts bleed. Usually alts that aren't performing that well will bleed more than the alts that are actually performing good, but right now it looks like some kind of bleeding going on right now. Again, there is still 3 hours and 14 minutes left of this candle over here on the 4 hourly, so will that happen or not? It depends. Of course that's not a problem, because the daily candle can go close all the way above 52,900, something like that, and we will still be above the 10 moving average, so that's no problem. We can even fold with the wick all the way down to 50,000 or whatever, as long as we close above the 10 moving average on the daily. That's gonna be good. Besides that, all the technicals are nice. What I want to just say is that we still don't have this bullish cross on the daily. I think it's still gonna take like a day or two or sideways movement before we actually get the cross. Hopefully we get maybe push this candle down a little bit more today, and the next candle will actually, it will give us enough support that we can actually break all of these resistances on the next day. So if we start getting maybe even tomorrow this cross, and we start hitting the 10 moving average, that might actually indicate that we have enough support to push the price further up above the 57,000, because 57,000 is the price target we actually want to get out of. Beside that, on the weekly chart and everything all looks nice and dandy. We still want to get above this 54,000 level up here, the 10 moving average, but like weekly still 4 days left away, so there is no problem for that. Good time to catch up, and I'm pretty confident that we will break the 10 moving average on the weekly chart once we get there, because right now this down here seems to be the bottom. Right now it seems that we are trying to climb the moving averages. So the first step is getting above the 10 moving average, then it's about getting these 2 moving averages, and then it's about climbing higher. But it won't happen within an hour, it won't happen within a couple of 4 hourly time candle frames, however you want to call it. So it's gonna take some time, but all in all, very bullish. Today not so bullish, because I'm telling you, it might actually pull us a little bit down, and that can make our alt suffer. That said, this candle, of course, if it closes below 10 and 20, might continue doing that for the rest of the day. On the other hand, if this candle over here on the 4 hourly closes above everything up here somewhere, that might actually seem that we are very bullish. We can also get some very fast big candle down there and the next candle up. So there's multiple options, especially when you go into the small time frames, because things change really fast. What we do know is that we don't want to close daily below this white candle. How high it goes there, it's not very important. We just don't want to close daily below this target up here. Put this target up here. We don't want to close below that, and that's right now at what's that at? That's at 53,000. So on the daily candle, we don't want to close at 53,000. As long as we close above 53,000 on daily, tomorrow everything is gonna be fine and dandy. So come back tomorrow, check what's actually happening. If we are above 53 or below 53, I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen for the rest of the day tomorrow as well. That said, you need to subscribe to the channel, because you know, daily altcoins videos, Bitcoin video and stuff like that. On this channel we do like 5 to 10 videos every single day, altcoins videos. So not only that, we got this Patreon group where we do daily altcoins video, like 30 altcoins every single day, rank them up and us. We got a Telegram group, nice community going on. So check down the links below. There are a lot of links, you know, click any links, Patreon link, Telegram link, sharing link, like button, there is comment button. You can also click on other people's comments and click like and dislike on this. Click mostly like. You can comment on there. There is a bunch of things you can do below the video, so make sure you do something. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.